Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm so excited to be checking out this new TCL door lock. This is the D2 Pro Palm Vein. Okay, so what does that mean? This door lock right here actually uses the veins in your palm to unlock the door. I don't know if you guys knew this, I just learned this recently, but just like your fingerprint is unique to you, the map of the veins in your palm are also unique to you. So they can be used instead of a fingerprint to unlock your door. This is more convenient because you can just boop, hold up your hand, and it's a lot faster and more easily recognized. So it's gonna be faster than fingerprint technology, and it just allows you to wave your hand in front and unlock the door. Really, really fantastic. But don't worry, there's also tons of other ways to lock and unlock. You've got your old school keys and you've got your keypad right here, and we will talk all more about that. But first off, I just want to say that TCL is a fantastic brand. They are an Olympic partner. They are a global brand and they make absolutely fantastic products. And I've checked out a lot of their door locks. It's what we use inside in our office. And now we have just installed this outside on our back door. I'm very, very excited about this because I know it is going to save me time. It's going to be really, really convenient. And one fantastic thing when you are looking to upgrade and switch out, don't worry, this is super, super easy to install. It works on both right-handed and left-handed doors, and it's very, very easy to set up, even with the app. And of course, in that app is going to give you a ton of options and flexibility. And one of the greatest things that I like about the app is that I have the ability to see exactly when and where someone has unlocked my door. So no mysteries, no wondering like, oh, when did somebody come in or what happened? I have a log of every time the door has been locked and unlocked. I'm also able to unlock the door remotely. So say for example, maybe one time this happened to us about a month ago, Adam's parents came into town and they got in a little bit earlier than expected. Their flight was early and they got here earlier than we thought they would. They beat us to our house and we were about 30 minutes away, and I was able to remotely unlock the door, which is really, really great. It meant that they weren't setting out in the hot Florida sun and we were able to get them inside into the air conditioning. Really, really convenient to have. So it's going to keep you safe on both ends. On one, that the app is going to tell you every time someone is unlocking your door, but also you're able to do everything remotely, which is fantastic. In that app also, you're able to set up to get alerts. So of course this does have a built-in doorbell, which is great for alerting you if someone's at your door. You need to come sign something, get some mail, talk to a solicitor, whatever it might be. But it also has the option to, instead of the doorbell, to just get an instant alert to your phone and to the app, which is really, really fantastic. I definitely appreciate because we're filming all day, we're working from home, we've got pets that bark and all that kind of stuff. So I would much rather get an alert on my phone that someone's at my door immediately, instant access, knowing exactly like what's going on in the palm of my hand, and you can choose that. So this also, of course, like I said, has you can use your old school key and you can use the keypad as well. So if you don't want to use your palm vein, you can use your passcode that you set up. The nice thing about the passcode is that you can also set up one-time passcodes or temporary passcodes, is a better way to put that. Temporary passcodes, so that way if you're having a guest, a maintenance worker, maybe you have an Airbnb and you just want to set that up for your guest for the weekend, you can do one-time codes. Also in the app, of course, it's going to tell you who used what code when, so you know exactly what's going on. It keeps you really secure and it gives you peace of mind. It also gives you tons of ways to access your home in a really convenient way, whether that's with your passcode, whether that's with your key, whether that's with your palm. This is really, really great, especially maybe you've got teens that are coming in and out. You don't have to worry about like, oh my goodness, they lost the key to the house. They've got their own code, or they have their own palm and they don't even have to remember a code. So it really keeps everyone safe and on the same page, which is fantastic. Two other great things about this product is that the battery has an incredible battery life. So I'm charging it up right here. It's just USB-C, super, super convenient. And you are able to charge this up and it's going to last for 8 months of usage. So you're always going to have a nice battery life and you rarely ever have to worry about that. And it is completely rechargeable. On top of that, everything is a local storage. So you don't have to worry about your information just being out there. It's all locally stored and everything is super, super safe and secure. This also can connect to your favorite smart home device. So whether this is Alexa or your Google Home, say you have your hands full, you've got all the groceries, you've got all the stuff that you're carrying in the house, the baby, the whatever it might be, you don't have to worry about fumbling with your keys or fumbling even with a passcode. You don't even have to worry about putting your palm up because you can use voice assistant to lock and unlock the door, which is really, really fantastic. And speaking of locking the door, this automatically locks when you leave. So if you're a little bit OCD like me, you don't have to worry, oh my goodness, did I lock the door? Did I lock the door? Oh, you don't have to run home and check. You don't have to do any of that. First of all, you would be able to check in the app, but you know that after a short period of time, this is going to automatically lock for you, so you don't have to worry about whether or not you remember to do it yourself. So it's always going to keep you safe. It's always going to keep you super convenient. It's going to give you the log. It's going to give you tons of ways to get into your home, and it's super, super easy and convenient to install. I absolutely love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. TCL, like I said, great company. Absolutely love them, love their products, and this palm vein thing is really, really cool. It's next level. You guys are going to love it. If you are interested, definitely I advise you to check out the description of this video because I'm going to leave all of the links and everything there for you, and I encourage you guys to go ahead and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.